I was never meant to feel anything for the enemy. When the purple-skinned woman was dragged into our compound, bloodied, silent, defiant, I told myself she was just another captured insurgent from the Ilari Rebellion. Their kind had raided our outpost for months, and Command didn't take prisoners. They made examples. She was chained to the post outside the old embassy ruins. For display, for deterrence. They called her Specimen 9, as if she was some lab rat. But when I looked into her violet eyes, glowing faintly even in pain, I didn't see a savage. I saw someone. Scared, angry, intelligent. And then she spoke. Not in Ilari, but in broken English. Why save human children if you kill mothers like me? My blood froze. No translator. Just raw memory and pain. I didn't ask how she knew. I didn't ask what she'd lost. I just stood there, guarding her, watching her body slowly weaken in the alien sun. And I made a decision that would brand me a traitor. As I unchained her and smuggled her into the old mines, alarms blared across the compound. I had hours before they tracked my biosignal. We ran. 2 enemies turned fugitives, sharing oxygen rations in desperation. But the deeper we went, the more she changed. Not physically, mentally. She felt what I felt, spoke what I thought before I said it. She wasn't just Ilari. She was bonded to me, accidentally, she claimed. A psychic imprint, formed during her torture by a human neural interrogator. She knew me, my guilt, my nightmares, my questions, and she answered them, not with words, but by showing me the truth. The rebellion wasn't about conquest. It was about stopping a genocide started by our own species. I wasn't born. I was bred, genetically enhanced, memory engineered, raised to lead the extermination of Ilari offworlders. But through her, I remember my first breath, not in a lab, but in a village, her village. She had carried me out of a burning lab as a baby. She wasn't my prisoner. She was my mother